In today's video, we will be discussing Grackle Slides, the accessibility checker for Google Slides. You only need to install Grackle Slides once, and it will always be available in your Google Slides. Note that Grackle Slides is different from the Grackle checker for Google Docs. To install, open your presentation. On the menu bar, click on Extensions, choose Add-ons, and then choose Get Add-ons. It will prompt you to a menu, which is called Google Workspace Marketplace. On this search bar, type in Grackle Slides, and it should be the first one. Click on Install. Log in with your Google account. Choose Continue, and a message will appear asking you to allow Grackle access to Google Slides. Click Allow to confirm and then wait for a few seconds. The installation is now complete. Now let's run an accessibility check. So after Grackle Slides has been installed in your Google Slides, go to menu bar, choose Extensions, and you'll be able to see Grackle Slides here. Click on Launch, and then that is how you run an accessibility check. A sidebar will open showing errors and warnings. For example, this one has 13 out of 16 checks passed, which means that there are still 3 errors that needs correction. Now let's address each one of them. The first one, it says right here that a slide should have a title. I click on the error, and then it will prompt me to slide 3 and slide 4. I click on slide 3. So here, a title is missing. I'm going to put in the title here. And I'm going to do the same for slide 4. Again, I'm going to put in a title in the title box here because it is what is missing. Moving on to tables. The first error is that tables should be tagged and described. So now I click on Table to locate the table that needs some correction. And it is this table. So now I click on Tag, and then a table will show up. And here I want to mark first row as header, and then click on Update. So then a heading has been added to my table. Moving on to elements. So it says here that images should have alternative text. I click on it, and again click on Image to locate the image. Click on Tag to add an alt text. This is the NU logo, so I would simply put in NU logo for the alt text and then choose Update. And then there's another element that needs correction, which is this one. It says text boxes should not be empty. So I go to the text boxes. For example, I'm just going to put some letters here to illustrate, and then another text box. Okay. So now that I've added everything, I will recheck it here. So now, as you can see here, 16 of 16 checks have passed. By using Grackle Slides, you can make sure your presentations are accessible to everyone.